In this video, you will learn how to make a PDF from iPhone photos. So if you want to convert iPhone photos into PDF and export iPhone photos as PDF, then this video will help you learn exactly that. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to export iPhone photos as PDF. In order to make a PDF from iPhone photos, let's first open the Photos app and select the photo that you want to turn into PDF on iPhone. So if you want to convert this iPhone photo into PDF, then what you have to do is you have to just open the photo and then you can tap on eye icon here and you can see the details regarding this photo. You can see currently these are the details available, the name of the photo and also the file format. So to export this HEIF image into PDF, what you have to do is you have to simply tap on the share icon that you see here. And when you tap on share icon, here you get multiple options and you have to scroll a bit and then you will see the option for printing. So you have to select the print option and then it will provide this interface where you can either select the printer or you can simply tap on the share icon again and then this will start creating PDF. And as you can see, this has created a PDF document from this photo and the size of the PDF document is 23.7 MB, which is perfect for printing. Now you have to simply save this to file. So tap on save to file and then select the location where you want to save it. You can simply save it to your iPhone or iCloud as well if you want that. So I'll go with this option and then simply tap on save. Just in case if you want to rename this photo before exporting as PDF and saving that, you can simply tap on save as option here and make changes here. And once that is done, you can simply tap on save and that will be saved as PDF on your iPhone. Now if I go to Files app, there I can see the photo that has been exported as PDF here. And this opens up in the preview app on your iPhone. So this way you may export iPhone photos as PDF and create a PDF on iPhone from iPhone photos. And by the way, if you want to learn how to convert photos to PDF on Mac, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.